Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today we're taking you around this approved used Audi Q5 Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro S Tronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Navara blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle, especially with the Black Edition gloss black styling package. With this being the 40 TDI, you get a 2-litre turbo diesel engine producing 201 brake horsepower whilst achieving 42.2 miles per gallon approximately. This model also comes with the Technology Package Pro, which gives you the panoramic glass sunroof, matrix LEDs, as well as the 360-degree camera system. On the front we do have these fabulous matrix LED headlights giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 21-inch Audi Sport 5 V-spoke star design alloy wheels finishing anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork whilst adding to the overall sporty look of the vehicle. With this being the Black Edition, you do get gloss black styling including mirror caps, side skirts, window surrounds, roof rails, and of course we have that fabulous panoramic glass sunroof which allows maximum sunlight and fresh air into the cabin for a nice airy feel. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened from the key or the button under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself. This reveals maximum storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage, weekly family shop, or complimentary roof rails. The boot floor can also be used as storage as it has a compartment underneath. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury and comfort, with centre armrest and tri-zone climate control so the rear passengers can set their own temperature. Both outer seats are also fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top, and they are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. And if you have more than one driver, you have 2 levels of preset memory function, which you can alternate between for your 2 drivers. The vehicle also comes with the Bang & Olufsen's premium sound system as part of the technology pack. Also, because this is the Tech Pack Pro, you do get the heads-up display so all important driving information is projected straight onto the windscreen in front of you so you never have to take your eyes off the road. The virtual cockpit can be configured using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so mid-journey phone calls and your radio station changes, and underneath to the left is your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply the navigational system. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle depending on how you want the car to feel and your mood. This vehicle also comes with the before mentioned 360-degree camera system, so you can check out the vehicle from all angles, knowing that you're never going to hit anything and damage the precious paintwork. You also get park assist, which lets the car park itself for you. All you have to do is accelerate, brake and follow the on-screen prompts when you press the button. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on the approved used Audi Q5 Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro S Tronic, available now at Stafford Audi in Navara Blue. If you have any questions, queries or wish to take a look at this vehicle, do not hesitate to come on down to the showroom and take a look, or call one of our friendly sales executives now.